Welcome to Exams Trending GK. This is Top 10 Science GK Set 3. Which gas is responsible for the greenhouse effect? The right answer is carbon dioxide. Question number 2. Which of the following is used for sterilizing surgical instruments? The right answer is ozone. Question number 3. Which vitamin helps in blood clotting? And the right answer is vitamin K. Question number 4. Which part of the human body is affected by pneumonia? The right answer is lungs. Question number 5. Which instrument is used to measure humidity in the air? The right answer is hygrometer. Sorry. Question number 6. What is the chemical formula of water? The right answer is H2O. Question number 7. Which part of the plant conducts food? The right answer is phloem. Question number 8. Which organ is called the powerhouse of the cell? The right answer is mitochondria. Question number 9. Which element is used in thermometers? The right answer is mercury. Question number 10. What is the speed of light in vacuum? And the right answer is option C, 3 into 10 to the power 8 amp per second. Thank you and best wishes. Kindly subscribe to Exams Trending GK. Please like, share and subscribe.